Hello and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for continuing this Power BI journey with me. In the previous lesson, we talked about what Power BI actually is and why it's such a powerful tool, especially if you're coming from an Excel background. Now that we understand what Power BI can do, the next step is simple. Let's get the software installed so you can follow along with the rest of the course. If you don't already have Power BI Desktop installed, there are a couple of easy ways to get it. The first option is to open your browser and either go directly to Microsoft's website or simply type Power BI Desktop into Google. That will take you straight to the official download page where you can install the software and get started. Now, the easier and recommended approach is to install it through the Microsoft Store. To do this, open the Microsoft Store from your Start menu. Once you're in, click on the search bar at the top, type Power BI, and select Power BI Desktop from the results. If you already have it installed, like I do, you'll see an Open button. If not, you'll see an Install button instead. Just click Install, and the Microsoft Store will handle everything for you. One big advantage of installing Power BI Desktop this way is that it stays automatically up to date. Microsoft releases new features and improvements regularly, and using the store ensures you are always running the latest version without having to think about it. If you scroll down the page, you will also see some extra information about Power BI Desktop. Things like working with DAX formulas, access to over 100 built-in visuals, and even technical details such as disk space requirements. Install Power BI Desktop and you are ready to follow along with this course. That's it for this lesson. In the next video, we'll open Power BI Desktop for the very first time and take a quick tour of the interface so you feel comfortable navigating around. If you're finding this series helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.